The DJI Neo Drone 4K is designed to capture stunning aerial footage with its cinema-quality video capabilities, making it a perfect choice for both travel adventures and professional videography. Weighing only 135 grams, this lightweight drone is remarkably portable, easily fitting into a backpack or even a pocket, and does not require FAA registration. With multiple control options including voice control, mobile app, and remote control, the DJI Neo Drone offers versatility and ease of use for beginners and professionals alike. For those concerned about safety, the full-coverage propeller guards provide peace of mind, allowing users to navigate safely around obstacles. Despite the DJI Fly app being removed from Google Play, users can still activate the drone via the app by downloading it directly from the DJI official website. The DJI Neo Drone 4K is a fantastic option for capturing high-quality footage while benefiting from a user-friendly experience and excellent portability.